Today I am going to tell you brief about gynec and urological system. So this system is basically we are using in urology or in gynec for the region of internal parts. Suppose you want to see the kidney stone, right? That time you can use this system. So what are the part of this system? You can observe this is a monitor, this is your light source, and this is a camera, right? So first, how to switch on machine, how to connect scope, how to connect the fiber optic cable, all that things I am going to tell you. First thing, you have to switch on the power supply, right? After that, you can switch on LED light source, you can switch on camera system, right? It will be on the standby. Second thing, you can observe this is called striker camera, right? This is a camera, right? How to connect this camera? You can observe this is called your 1288 HD, right? Camera. You can observe this is an arrow, right? And one arrow is here. One, see, come to see. Before connecting, you can observe this notch. You have to match arrow, right? And you can connect and push it. It will get connected. And once it will get connected, you will see the images are here. You can observe the images are here, right? Once you connect camera, second thing, you have to connect fiber optic cable. So this is your fiber optic cable. See how to connect your fiber optic cable. It's very simple. See, you can see this is locked. Once you insert it, okay, it get locked. You have to remove it, press it get locked. Okay, and you have to press start. Right? You can observe light is here. You can observe this is light. This is your fiber optic cable. Right? You can increase or decrease brightness from this switch. Okay? Make it standby before connecting. Right? Now I want to connect this to the camera system. Now I am going to take one scope. This is your cystoscope. So how to connect to this cystoscope? See, this is a small connector you must use before connecting to the cystoscope. So with help of this connector, I am just going to connect this to the cystoscope. Okay. Once you connected this cystoscope to the fiber optic cable, it will use you light. Once you have to check that is coming or not. You can observe, see, that is coming, right? That means fiber optic cable is connected successfully to this scope. Once this assembly get ready, this is your camera. Now this scope, fiber optic cable and camera, how to attach? See, this is one knob. You have to just press it like this. Once you press it, keep it like this and leave it. It get locked, right? And you have to observe. Now I am going to switch on the system and you can observe the image on the screen. See, you can observe the image on the screen. That means the scope is working. Right? Suppose doctor want to see the kidney stone and other thing, that time this scope has been inserted inside the body, and inside the body part you can observe easily with help of this. Sometimes suppose vision is not clear, that time you have to take the white balance. You can observe these are the number of switches are there. Take the white cotton. You can take white cotton and you can make the white balance. See. So you will get the image quality is good. So this is a switch for the white balance. You can increase. See, these are the switches. You can light. This is light intensity. You can increase with help of this light intensity. You can decrease. So see, this is zoom. This is the depth of zoom. Right? This settings you can perform. Okay. So one more thing. Depending on operation, see, these are the different parameters are there. This is a cystoscopy. Suppose this is a ENT. This is your flexoscopy. This is your hysteroscopy. This is your laparoscopy. This is your laser, right? Microscope, right? Standard. According to procedure, you can select the parameters in this. So this is your camera hub, this is your light source, and this is your main display. You can increase or decrease brightness from here, right? Now this is after completing our procedure, right? So how to dismantle the system? See, first thing, you have to make the standby of light source, switch off. This is the camera, switch off the system, and we start disassemble one by one part. First thing, you have to remove it. Okay, put it here. Second thing, you can disconnect like this. Put it in the inside the box properly. How to remove it? See, this is a locking and unlocking. Just push it, it will get removed. Now this is a fiber optic cable. Small fiber optic cables are there. Suppose you are putting it like this, cables are get damaged. So it have one particular pattern how to put it. So you have to just keep it like this. Rotate it properly. It will give you long life. Okay. So this is your laparoscopy urology system. You can use it for the ENT. You can use it for the. Okay. Sure. Thank you.